Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make money online from single PDF file. It is free and available worldwide. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. The PDF file format may appear to be only a file format for storing files that can't be changed, but still need to be shared and printed rapidly. Not to mention that if the PDF document you're looking at is 100% full, it has the potential to generate thousands of dollars in revenue. Is there a way for me to generate money by working from home? Yes, that's what I meant. The only catch is that if you want to get the most out of it, you must watch every second of this video and take action at the end. You won't be able to go on if you don't, because you'll miss important details and be unclear of what to do. Despite the fact that this is a fantastic and legitimate way to make a lot of money online, it is not a long-term money-making technique that will make you rich in the long run. As soon as everything is in order, let's get the video started. So how about we get this lesson started? Your initial step should be going to Google Docs. For this, go to Google and type the URL or docs.google.com and type the term Google Docs into the search box. To summarize, your purpose is to visit this site and create a PDF document that will generate income for you. A guide, to be precise, raises the question of what you'll write in that document. It doesn't matter what guide you use, who you use, what you write about it. In addition to losing weight and growing muscle, it may also be about expanding a YouTube channel or investing in Bitcoin. Since the more people you can help with a guide, the more money you'll make, because the more people you can benefit from it, the more money you'll get. My Instagram growth strategy is wonderful to provide as an example because Instagram is such a highly popular platform used by billions of people all around the world. It means that, as I previously stated, the most crucial component of my Instagram growth advice is that it will benefit a large number of people. Here's how to make a guide on something you're not familiar with if you're wondering how to accomplish it. To figure out how to accomplish it, simply Google it, which is exactly what I did. If you really want to write your own guide, all you have to do is use Google to perform some fast research on the subject and then write it on your own words. You could, for example, use Google to find a guide you wish to write. In my situation, I looked up how to expand on Instagram using Google. From there, you can open up some of these instructions. Instead of copying and pasting, simply write down what you've just read in your own words to avoid any copyright difficulties. This way, due to Google, you can write a tutorial about something you don't even know and something you don't know much about. You'll proceed to whichever affiliate marketplace you like, such as Digistore24 or ClickBank, in the second step. If you want to ask questions, you'll need to sign up for the platform, which I won't go into depth about because it's a really basic issue that would add time. And the next step is to create a promotion campaign, and by marketing anything as an affiliate, you can automatically reach hundreds of people who are interested in what you are selling. In any case, what you want to advertise will be determined by the content of your guide. If you have a weight loss site, you'll look for a weight loss product to promote because you want your guide and the product you're marketing to be in the same area. If you have a YouTube growth guide, you'll look for tools like Sacrimony to help you increase your channel. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. I'll be shopping at digistore24.com for items that will help me grow my Instagram following. All you have to do now is pick anything worth advertising and pay special attention to the commissions, which should be at least 40%, to make your marketing successful. You also don't want to market things that aren't worth a lot of money because you won't make nearly as much money each sale if you don't pay commissions. This is an excellent example of how to go about it. It won't give me a set amount of money for each sale as well as a percentage of the commission, which would be quite great. If 100 people bought it, I'd make a lot of money in passive income, which isn't awful at all. This is the time to get the affiliate link for this product. All I have to do now is click on Advertise Now once to get an affiliate link to an offer of my choice. Now go back to your lesson and add it in. Here's a useful tidbit for you. To begin, shorten the link to the offer on a site like bit.ly.com. Your goal is to accomplish this because if you use a traditional affiliate link, it will be obvious that you're pushing something, and people will be less likely to click on it. If you abbreviate it with bit.ly, you won't want to paste it in your guide because it will nearly certainly increase the number of clicks. Instead, you should put something on top of it and will attract them to click on it to see what happens. I wrote the greatest approach to expand on Instagram because I'm using a product to help people build their Instagram accounts. Again, what you do here is determined by the product you're marketing. If it's a corporate growth offer, you could mention something like the best business growth course or something similar. Now that you've done that and included the affiliate link in your guide, you'll be able to really benefit from it. When they open it, they'll see all of these free Instagram growth tips and tricks, implying that I'm truly assisting them. The final element of the jigsaw is now the source of traffic. It's possible that the one named Quora.com is the finest in this particular circumstance, a community-based website that can help you get answers to any query you can think of, in case you've never heard about it. The nicest thing about this website is that it is completely free. Every month, almost 500 million people come to see it. Because Quora is so popular, it's a smart idea to use it as a source of traffic. Keep in mind that making tens of thousands of dollars requires hundreds of clicks and purchases. You'll almost certainly get that many because Quora is read by millions of people every day. However, you must first create a Quora account, and I'm not going to go through it again. Consequently, I will not continue to make this video. After you've joined up, you'll need to ask questions about your own guide in any instance. To boost the number of people who follow me on Instagram, I wanted to figure out how to do it in my case. Basically, you'll see folks who are plainly looking for strategies to grow their Instagram following, which will make them great clients for me to work with. The last thing I need to do is paste the complete guide as an answer on here that I recently saved on my PC. Then I repeat the process for all of the questions I was able to locate. The answer is simply as that. That's all there is to do right now. While your affiliate link is being clicked on a daily basis, you will be able to take a rest. In most cases, you'll win if you answer as many of these questions as possible. And going to court is a very common option. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online from single PDF file. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.